it is, I'm Onu.
And today we'll be nuking people and build a boat. Now let's begin nuking small.
Time to activate the nuke.
I guess that's it for blue team.
Now it is time I nuke new targets. Now I must drop the second bomb. Time to activate the nuke. Green team has now been exterminated.
You will regret this, mortal.
That was strange. Now it is time for the final nuke to be launched. As usual, it is time I ready up the nuke. What is that noise? Where am I? What is this place?
I told you that you would regret that. Now you must suffer like I did.
What is this machinery? And what does that lever do?
You will see what it does, puny mortal.